Femashans. Welcome to another episode of The Exclusives, where views, issues, and profiles are featured. Starting out his career in Xavier School, our guest has evolved into one of collegiate basketball's most prolific scorers. He was hailed as the UAAP Season 72 Rookie of the Year after helping the USC Growling Tigers enter the Final Four. After having the team captain Jeric Fortuna and the clutch cat Alvin Mariano, we are privileged to have the gunslinger of the USC Growling Tigers. Femashans, please welcome Mr. Jeric Allenton. Hello po.
Hello.
So, straight to the point na tayo, Jeric.
Okay.
How does it feel after losing the game 1?
Siyempre, it feels sad na natalo kami. Kasi marami nanonood sa amin, marami nagsusupport. So, yun sana, they deserve na manalo kami.
So, paano po preparation ang ginagawa niya for game 2 this Thursday rather?
Yun, we watched the game 1, yung game 1 namin against Ateneo. We tried to see where we went wrong. And we tried to correct them. Siguro nag-a-adjust na kami sa mga yung defensive rotations namin against Ateneo.
So, meron po bang improvement sa training niyo, like additional hours, or mas naging rigorous po ba yung training niyo?
Wala naman. Actually, we shortened our practice a bit dahil medyo tuloy-tuloy yung games. So, para maka-rest din kami. Para sa...
And finals pa.
Yeah, finals pa.
So, sa tingin niyo po sa preparation na ginagawa niyo ngayon, sa ating ba ang game to this Thursday?
Definitely. Sana.
So, alam naman po nating lahat na magaling kang basketball player. Paano nga ba nagsimula ang career mo sa basketball?
Actually, since when I was a child, mahilig na ako maglaro ng basketball. No one really influenced me. I just liked watching NBA dati. Simula pa dati. So, doon ako nagkahilig for basketball.
So, is basketball really runs in your family? Kasi yung kapatid niyo rin po, basketball player.
Actually, my dad din is a former professional basketball player. Tagal siya naglaro sa PBA. Tapos I have a brother pa who also plays for LaSalle. So, siguro it runs in the blood.
So, personal topic naman tayo. Sino si Jeric Teng bilang isang mag-aaral na Tomasino?
I regularly go to class. Dahil syempre, nasanay ako sa Xavier. Dahil Xavier, they don't care kung athlete ka eh. They focus on the academic. So, grateful ako na syempre kahit paano nakatulong yung Xavier sa akin. And I still value my studies.
So, can you see na nababalance mo yung studies mo with your basketball career?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so, some of the Mashans also have some questions for you. So, here's JC Moreno to get into that.
Thanks, Cristel! Nakikita niyo dito sa aking likuran ang napakahabang pila ng mga estudyante para lang kumuha ng tickets for the Game 2 of USC versus Ateneo. Kaya ngayon, dito tayo sasagap ng mga estudyante gustong magtanong para kay Jeric Teng. Samahan niyo ako.
Hi, Jeric. Tanong ko lang, ano yung na-feel mo nung naging Rookie of the Year yung kapatid mo? Since nung 2009, ikaw din yung Rookie of the Year. Ano yung mga payong binigay mo sa kanya? Thank you.
Hi, Jeric. Ano masasabi mo sa Chowking meme?
Hi, Kuya Jeric! May tanong ako. Ano yung gusto mo sa isang babae? Katulad ko ba? Sweet, caring, beautiful, sexy.
Hi, Jeric. After your heartbreaking loss nung Game 1, how will you assure us that mapupunta sa inyo yung Game 2?
Hi, Kuya Jeric. Ano po bang sikreto nyo pag umaga nung kinakain nyo sa breakfast?
Ngayon, nalaman na natin ang mga katanungan ng Femashan community. Ang malaking tanong ngayon ay kung ano ang mga sagot ni Jeric Teng sa mga ito. Back to you, Cristel.
So, Jeric, anong pakiramdam na Rookie of the Year din ng kapatid mong si Jeron?
Siyempre, I feel proud sa kapatid ko for what he accomplished. Actually, ano rin siya, I think he's also part of the Mythical Five. So, he has achieved more than what I did. So, I'm very proud of him. Pero at the same time, I'm challenged na to up my game pa.
So, on a lighter note naman, what can you say about the Chowking memes na kumakalat ngayon sa Facebook and other social media sites?
Actually, maraming tao na natutuwa about the Chowking memes. Kami ni Jeron, natatawa rin kami. So, minsan nakikiride na lang kami, diba? So, pero, we actually like eating and Chowking. Chicharap, yun.
Okay, usapang love life naman tayo. Anong type mo pagdating sa babae?
Siguro sa babae, siguro yung, ano lang, simple and understanding. Siyempre, athlete ako, so she has to understand na I have a busy schedule, so hindi ako lagi nakakalabas and all that.
How about when it comes to physical appearance?
Siguro, ano ba? Medyo matangkad ko. Simple lang talaga. Kasi ayaw masyadong yung showy or whatever.
So, gaano kalaking assurance mo na mananalo kayo sa game 2?
We can really never tell. We can just hope and pray. Basta we'll do our best. We'll play hard as a team. Yun, syempre we'll play like there's no tomorrow dahil kung matalo kami, wala na eh. Tsaka, yun, sana with God's help, manalo tayo.
So, bilang isang ordinaryong Jeric naman, nababasa ko minsan sa Twitter account mo nagtutweet ka. So, some Tamashans want to know, anong binibreakfast mo kadalasan?
Iba-iba. Minsan, peanut butter, yan, ano ba? Hot dogs, eggs, yan. Yun lang.
Okay, so back to the questions, Jeric. Sino si Jeric Teng bilang co-captain ng Growling Tigers?
Siguro ako, sometimes I try to lead the other players, like yung rookies. Siyempre, I'm in my 4th year na, so they expect a lot from me. Siyempre, I try to set an example to them. Minsan pag practice, minsan pag mababa yung energy sa practice, I'll try to, motivate them, inspire them na galingan palalo. So, as a co-captain naman, siguro, ano ba, yun lang, siguro I try to motivate the team, kahit down kami.
So, paano mga coping mechanisms nyo kapag, for example, after a loss, paano ginagawa nyo?
Well, syempre, wala namin magawa about the game. We have to move forward na lang. So, yun, nag-comfort lang sa isa. We try to tell each other kung ano yung mali namin. We're open naman to that sa mga criticisms para mag-improve pa kami as a team.
So, kamusta ang relasyon ninyo ng kapatid mong si Jeron?
Yun, si Jeron tsaka ako, we're very close dahil we still live in our parents' house. So, doon pa kami umuwi lagi. So, we see each other lagi. So, pares pa kami mahilig sa basketball, pares kami player. So, okay kami, we're very close.
But how does it feel like competing with your brother? Kasi Lasal siya, tapos ikaw UST.
Yeah, syempre, it's weird. It's awkward. Syempre, I used to be teammates with him back in Xavier. Yung medyo weird dahil kalaban ko na siya and, minsan hindi malayo yung isipin ng tao na pinagbibigyan ko siya, pinagbibigyan niya ako. Syempre, magkapatid kami. So, we just, pero paglaro na talaga naglalaro kami. As in, for our own respective team.
So, about your jersey number naman, what's the significance behind number 16?
Actually, before 8 talaga ako eh. Then, when I joined the high school team, taken na 8, and the only choice was number 16. So, after that, tuloy-tuloy lang so number 16.
Where did you get your inspiration as a basketball player?
Yun, siguro from my dad. And my brother din, syempre. My dad was a former player, so sana mahigatan ko yung mga ginawa niya before. And syempre siguro to all the people who support me, they inspire me to play better.
So, family lang ba? I'm sure everyone is curious. Meron ka bang girlfriend ngayon na nag-i-inspire sa'yo?
Friends na girls.
Madami. Okay, so what's your message to the Tamashan community?
I just want to, on behalf of my team, we are very grateful and thankful sa kanila for their support. Sana tuloy-tuloy na yan sana makuha natin yung championship.
So, please invite the Tamashans to watch your game this Thursday.
I'm inviting all of you guys, all of you Tamashans to watch our game on Thursday. It's gonna be in Araneta, 4 p.m. against Ateneo. Game 2 na to, so we hope to see you there. We hope na there will be Game 3 para mas maraming mapapanood sa atin.
So, speaking of the game, a memorandum was released by the Office of the Secretary General stating that October 11, Thursday, will be a yellow day. Tamashans are encouraged to wear yellow to show support to the USC Growling Tigers in the game against the Ateneo Blue Eagles. So that's it, Sir Jeric. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me here.
Thank you. informed, be updated. Visit our website at www.varsitarian.net, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Tumblr, and watch us on YouTube. This has been Crystal Bachelor for V Exclusive.